Singapore launches waste gas SAF plant. Project Beacon Singapore is preparing to host Southeast Asia's first commercial-scale sustainable aviation fuel SAF facility using waste-based carbon inputs, marking a shift away from first-generation feedstocks like used cooking oil. Developed through a new partnership between Ether Fuels and Aster, the initiative, dubbed Project Beacon, will be built at Aster's integrated refining and chemical hub on Pulau Bukom. Unlike earlier SAF plants that rely heavily on hydroprocessed esters and fatty acids, HEFA, Project Beacon will utilize Ether's Aurora platform to convert industrial waste gas and biomethane into certified SAF. This pivot toward gas-based pathways aims to solve ongoing constraints in SAF production, chiefly limited feedstock availability and high production costs. The plant is expected to deliver approximately 2,000 tons of SAF annually, with life cycle emissions reduced by at least 70% compared to traditional jet fuel. Commercial operations are slated to begin by 2028, following a construction phase starting in 2026. By leveraging circular carbon streams and avoiding dependence on food-based inputs, Ether and Aster are positioning the project as a more scalable alternative to legacy SAF routes. Industrial integration as a catalyst, not a constraint. Project Beacon's co-location strategy is central to its business case. By embedding the facility within Aster's existing industrial complex, the project gains immediate access to key infrastructure, utilities, renewable energy, waste carbon sources, and logistics, without the need for greenfield build-out. This cuts lead times and lowers capital intensity, a significant advantage in a sector where cost and scale often dictate commercial viability. For Aster, the venture is part of a broader strategy to move from incremental decarbonization to embedded innovation. The company is integrating clean tech projects directly into core operations, signaling a shift in how energy incumbents engage with new technologies. This aligns with broader trends seen in global industrial hubs like Rotterdam and Houston, but remains novel in the Southeast Asian context. Government support has helped clear the runway. The Economic Development Board, EDB, has backed the SAF sector as part of Singapore's broader push to attract energy transition investments, citing Project Beacon as a sign of the country's intent to lead in low-carbon fuels and carbon conversion technologies. As regional demand for cleaner aviation fuel grows and import dependency becomes more of a liability, Singapore's integrated waste-based SAF model may offer a framework for replication across industrial zones in the region. The project's strategic mix of venture innovation, policy alignment, and existing infrastructure could make it a blueprint for future SAF hubs beyond Singapore.